Today I'm in Kalumpit. So let me show you my toys. Wait a second. And here is my toys. Spider-Man control car, telescope. That's all. Also, I got some candy for the next video. So let's tidy this up. So this is the candy I'm showing to the next video, and I'm gonna taste it in if I get 50 subscribers. So back to what I was talking about. So I was talking about my toys, and now let me just close down. There's too many. Smells like grapes. So that's all. Excuse me and goodbye.